Good afternoon. I'm Victor Slockee, part of the Bundjalung Nation. Jingeri Jingeri Walla, which means just g'day, Bundjalung Yargan, Bundjalung country. It's good to recognise the land we are on today. So it's an honour to welcome you to Bundjalung Yargan, and we acknowledge all the tribes that are within this area, and they include the Murwillumbah, the Murwillumbah, the Nungdawal, the Kujunburra people from down north here, and the Kumbameri and Mawurndjul people from up in Yugambeh country. These people have travelled across this land since the first sunset. They derive their livelihood from this land, the rivers, the oceans, the streams of this beautiful valley. We acknowledge and continue to always pay our respects to our elders, both past, present, and those that are coming forward. Just a traditional welcome from the Bundjalung elders. Bundjalung Yargan, Nali Na Yargan, Nali Garama Mali Yangan, Wan Ma Jangma Mali Gungu Gala Yangan, Nali Wa Nali Gungan, which means just Bundjalung country. We belong to this country and we look after this country here. We don't do wrong around this country and we don't harm this country here because we belong to this country. As I said, for thousands of years, these groups that I've spoken about travelled across this beautiful valley we now call the Tweed Valley, and it rests in the shadow of the majestic Murwillumbah, which is a mountain up to this side of me here. Murwillumbah is one of the sacred sites in our area, and there are other sacred sites that include Bora grounds, which are ceremonial dance sites, and initiation sites, burial sites, stone arrangements, and there's middens all through the area. Bundjalung Yargan has many good things to offer you, and we are really appreciative of Johnny's work coming down to our country. So Nali Na Yargan, as we belong to this country, you too belong to this country, and you have become part of this country. So welcome again to Bundjalung Yargan, and enjoy I Am the Old and the New. Thank you.
Jingi, hello. Just like to welcome you, John, to beautiful Bundjalung Yargan, Bundjalung country of the Nundawal Murwillumbah tribe. And just wherever you walk, may you be protected by Creator and Mother Earth and the ancestors. And thank you for adding your bit of magic and spirit to our country with your beautiful paintings. It's a little welcome song about welcoming you to country and that we are all standing together. Mana gala nali na mami jingi wala wila maya yaba wenbe bugu bagus bolayana Jingy walla wither baya yaba wenbe bugu bagus bulayana yamba. Jingy walla, welcome.